What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood, you feel me? Today is a special kind of video. Me and LLB are cooking up together. Yes sir, he's making the sample and I will be doing the drums. Big shout out to LLB for joining me on the channel. We're finna make some fire together. In a minute, I'm going to switch to LLB his screen and he will be explaining how to make a crazy melody. I can tell he will make something fire, bro. But also big shout out to you guys because you guys been supporting me a lot and it really means a lot to me. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? We're just going to dive right into it. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Some bass notes in. Just change the sound. I think that sounds a little bit too, I know it's just a little bit too like hectic. I kinda like that, you know. Put a bit of delay on there. Bit of reverb. Alright, that's sounding okay. Now I'm just gonna find another sound. Literally just copy and paste the sound so we just kind of fill out the melody a little bit more. I'm gonna come in with expand. So we're gonna go with, let's go with a soft pad. Just find a random one for now. That could work. That sounds good. I'm going to put that in the mixer and I'm just going to add some EQ to it. Speed the whole beat up as well, 140. Alright, that's sounding good. Now let's just try and find something to have as like the central part of the melody. Just something that's going to loop throughout the whole beat. Alright, let's try that. Let's try that little ARP sound right here. That's kind of cool. It's got a nice bounce to it. Alright, man, I'm just gonna mess around with the pitch. I'm like, I think it's a little bit too squeaky for me right now. So I'm literally just gonna go on the master and just pitch this whole thing down by like 2 semitones. I want to give Scanner something cool to work with, so I really want to just like mess around with this loop like a whole bunch. So what I'm going to do is bounce this whole thing out. I'm just going to flip this thing and reverse it, you know, just try and really mess with it. I'm going to pitch up like 600. Half time. Bit of spring reverb. I might juggle these chords around a little bit. I'm not too sure on the last chord at the end of every bar. It just sounds a bit, I don't know, it just sounds a bit weird to me. What I might do instead is just repeat the third chord instead of having that last chord. Well, that's kind of hard, you know. Could just be one of those hard trap beats now. That chord actually sounds sick if it's just repeated. Bro, I might even have to change this whole loop for him now. Could be as simple as that, man. But what I've just kind of done by accident is play the sample, play that RP kind of sample that I put together in the beginning. I just randomly hit like a low key by accident. So this is what I hit. I just randomly hit like D or something like that. How sick does that sound? So it's just playing in one key, repetitive, and it's just going to hit super hard. I don't even think it'll need much more, maybe like a vocal or something. So yeah, I'm just going to sample that. And yeah, just try and take this a whole nother direction. Yeah, I think it just needs one little layer to go over the top, maybe one or two, like some strings or just some real dark, like grungy, nasty sounds to go over it. Something like that. That sounds crazy. I'm just gonna sample that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Scanner, I hope you like this one, man. I spent a lot of time on this sample. Just literally have that play throughout the whole bar. Shaper box. Bro, that is hard. That is hard. And then in terms of the arrangement, it's going to be dead basic. We're just going to have everything play right here. Then we'll have like a nice like chilled bit right here. And then to help Scanner out, I'll just have the initial sample play as well by itself. And then here with the strings, I'm just going to make these ones unique and then just reverse them. Maybe yank them up an octave like that. I think that's it, you know. Yeah, that's the full sample, man. That's the full sample. So yeah, here's the full loop. Start this off with everything playing. Now we just got the synth and that little one shot hitting. And that the reverse strings sound crazy, man. Give it a nice bit of variation too. And then we just got the nice synth playing by itself. We got there in the end, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this thing bounced out right now. Shoot this thing off to Scanner. I know he's gonna do something crazy with it, man. So Scanner, hope you like the sample, bro. Let's get it.
Bro, this sample is really mysterious and wavy at the same time. It really is really interesting, bro. I already have like a couple of ideas in mind, so I really love the string in there, bro. It's super smooth and super fire in my opinion. I really want to try and flip the sample, so I just bump up the BPM to like maybe 140, 138. Bro, that's fire. It's simple, it's subtle, it's calm, but bro, when you get a rapper on this, he will destroy this beat. I'm telling you, bro. There's just like so much room for a vocal. It's crazy, bro. Right now, I think the beat is done, but I'm gonna try and do something different with the sample as well. Maybe try to flip it and stuff. But other than that, I think it's sounding fire already. So let's just like maybe try to speed up the tempo even more. Just reverse it and then just like play with the pitch and see how that sounds. LOB, bro. We really killed this, bro. You and me and LOB, we killed this. Really, I love the beat. I really love the vibe of the beat, how it's hitting, how the melody is hitting. Everything is just sitting right. Just ready for an artist to go crazy on it. Like, bro, get like Nardo Wick on this, maybe 21 Savage. Kill this beat, bro. I'm telling you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I would appreciate it. Make sure to check out LLB, his channel. Got some really fire tutorials as well. This tutorial really showed you how METROBOOMIN makes like melodies and beats for 21 Savage, Nardo Wick, Lil Durk. I'm active on social media as well at Skana Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.